Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with an unboxing from Brutus Monroe, a haul from Brutus Monroe, scrapbook.com, and Jami Ray Vintage. Since discovering Brutus Monroe, I've been making lots of little purchases here and there, and with every purchase, they offer free gifts. From some of the items that I found from their stock, I found these little birdie handmade flowers. There's 14 in each box. I bought 5 of them. And there's 10 flowers and 4 leaves. So 14 items in each box. I also picked up 3 of these fine mister bottles, and I just use them for spritzing pages with color. I had these Smooch Spritz sprays for a while now. I got them from Stampin' Up! A few years ago, and they clog up constantly and don't spray, so I plan on decanting them into the fine mister bottles. I picked up the very last one of these. It's my Creative Juice water bottle from Brutus Monroe. They do have other water bottles, but I think this is the last one in this color and style. Oh, and here's the free gift that I got with this particular purchase. They're doing Christmas in July, so they gave away this great stamp set. I love the font style on the Happy Holidays, ho ho ho, and celebrating the season. And again, Merry Christmas. That's a great stamp set. I also picked up 2 of these amazing cast-in resins. There's 8 fluid ounces total, and if you're not familiar with this, this is a fast curing, like 10 minutes resin. And I use some molds, and I bought some new molds, and I'll show you those in a minute. To do that with. I love working with that amazing resin. But here's the best part of this whole haul. Right now, they are selling, and they're running out, so hurry quick. They're selling a discounted package of 10 stencils for, originally it was $5, but now it's broken down to $3. So these are the stencils that I received. You'll get a mixed bag of what's in there, and they're in perfectly good condition, but I think they're like seconds or something like that. I don't see anything wrong with them. I'll show you in a minute what some of them kind of look like that may be considered not the best quality. So for example, in this one, I'm punching out some of the tabs and some of the little thingies that didn't get punched out. So maybe that's why they're considered seconds. They produce their own stencils. They do them in large quantities, and it may not be effective, time effective, or cost effective for them to punch out all the little thingies, all of the little hanging chads from all of the stencils that they create. So that's why they may be considered like seconds. But I was very happy to just flick them out, and I didn't have any issues with that or any of them sticking or anything like that. Like here's one right there that just came out, and it's a great selection of stencils. Each one is different, so you might not get the same one that I did. You see, I'm just flicking them out, and I haven't used them yet, but I'm sure they're going to work just fine. So $3 is a great deal. I'll leave a link for you below for Brutus Monroe. It's going to be an affiliate link. Next, I have some items from scrapbook.com. They have these self-adhesive or double-sided adhesive foam squares that are 1 millimeter thin, and they are very thin, super thin. I think it's going to be really interesting to work with them. I'm comparing them to the Stampin' Up! Ones that I really like to use. This is one of the 4 free gifts that I got from my purchase from scrapbook.com. It's a Chamel sticker set, and I don't particularly use stickers, but this was the next free item. I already have this, so guess what? I'm doing a giveaway. So leave a comment below that you're interested in the giveaway and that you're going to share my video. Below this video, you'll see something that says share, and I want you to share it to your Facebook page, your Instagram, wherever you like to share things on social media. And click thumbs up for giveaways. So leave a comment below and I'll enter you in the giveaway for that die and a bunch of other goodies. Here's another freebie. This one says Fun in the Sun. It's a die set. And here's another fabulous freebie and something I would have never have considered before, but it's really lovely. This is all Summer Porch exclusive chipboard, and it's a watercolor design, and look at the windows that it has. I think this is really cool and would be great for a layout or maybe for some cards or whatever. The main reason I went to scrapbook.com was to purchase this 6-inch roll of double-sided adhesive tape. I'm using it for a project I'm working on, and I'll show you the results of that in another video. While I was there for the adhesive tape, they had these on sale, and it's a set of 2 boxes. They're about 6 inches by 4 inches, and it comes with a lid. The lid is actually another tray, but it can act as a lid as well, and they're all stackable. And I have a larger, thin, stackable one that I had purchased previously, so this will go great together with this set. Brutus Monroe also has a candy section, and you should definitely check that out. I decided to get a couple of Mary Janes. This is my design team order, and there's a couple of items here for the July release, as well as some items that I purchased with a very generous gift card given to us by Christopher Allen, the owner of Brutus Monroe. One of the design team items was this gilded embossing powder. It's a gorgeous gold embossing powder. Then I also got this Fallen Snow glitter glaze. Everybody said this is a must-have. I have a few of their other glazes, but everyone said that this is a definite must-have, so I picked it up. The release for July is rather large, and it's all treasure and sea-themed, and this octopus and pirate ship is absolutely adorable. And this is I Love You a Lottle. And these are, what are they called? Alotl? I don't know what the sea creature is called, but they're tiny little sea creatures, and these are 2 adorable stamp sets that I'll be using. So these are the washi sheets. There's 2 of these sheets in each package. They're really affordably priced, and they're stunning images. They're sea-themed images, and that's a castle underneath the sea, and there's lots of undersea sea life, lots of sea life, and they're beautiful, lovely images. So, and I'm looking forward to using them in my projects. I also decided to get some cardstock. This is the color Cabbage, which is a really beautiful green. And this is called Gingerbread. It's a lovely mocha chocolate latte color, but it's called Gingerbread. I imagine gingerbread a more lighter color, more like cardboard box, but I love brown cardstock. It's one of my favorite cardstocks to use other than when I need a neutral like black. I also picked up this tool from Gina K Designs from the Brutus Monroe shop. It's a pickup stick. It has a waxy end to help pick up stuff. This is the one that I have from Uchida Marvi that I ended up picking off the sticky part of. It works for some things, but it doesn't really work very well. It's a double-ended one. It has a fine tip and that rounder bulbous one. And then I also have this good old standby, which has the pointy tip and then another tip to hold things down that I totally bent out of shape, but it still works. And it has this sticky substance on it that must have melted on the other end. But that also didn't work, so I wanted to try the Gina K tool. So now I have 3. One of my favorite products, and there are many products that I love, but one of my favorite one is their Squeaky Clean stamp cleaner. It smells amazing. The particular one that I got is lavender, but they have many scents, and they come out with scents every month or 2 months or so, and they're limited edition. I love this cleaner. I love the way it smells. They also have unscented if you prefer things that are unscented. I got this trio set of crystals. These have a really nice low profile, and the colors are absolutely stunning. This has purples and greens and blues. This has blues and more blues and purples. This one has reds and greens and yellows and oranges. They're absolutely fabulous. The next thing I got was this stencil with a bunch of circles cut out within it, and they give you the circles back so you can do multi-layered colors. I also got this teacup stencil. I also got the heated craft tool from Ranger. It's much quieter than the heat gun I have from Recollections, which works fine, but I've been always wanting this particular heat tool since the beginning of time, so I finally got it. It was on sale too. I picked up these fabulous fibers in Peacock and Halo, and they're a unique product, and I think they'll be kind of neat in some, mixed media kind of way. And I picked those up with this fabulous blue color. Is amazing. In addition to that, I also got some sprays. They have a multitude of different style sprays at Brutus Monroe. I decided to pick up the neon sprays that they had. And here's two of the colors. They're called Chroma Mist sprays, and these are in the neons. That's the blue and the green. I also got two additional, actually there was a total of 6 colors in the neon set. And this is the pink and the yellow. Showing you the purple glow, and this is just a regular turquoise color. They packaged it together, but it's not part of the neon set. I picked out the turquoise because I thought it was a great color. And finally, 6th color in the set is the orange glow. The next thing I got is from Jami Vintage. They sell supplies like paint and stencils and etc. for DIY furniture makeovers, and they also have Iron Orchid Designs stencils. They have lots of different products. I don't do DIY furniture makeovers, but I do like playing with molds with polymer clay, air dry clay, and the resin that I showed you earlier. This is a part of the latest release from Iron Orchid Designs, and these are really big animal busts. They're a little bit bigger than I wished they would have been for what I want to use them for. Here's the next set. These are all like bugs, and I hope you're not grossed out by bugs. I'm grossed out by bugs in real life, but I thought these were kind of cool for mixed media. Would you be interested in seeing me make these with some of that resin that I purchased? Let me know. Leave a comment below. Okay, so don't forget there's a giveaway in this video. Leave a comment below and let me know who you shared it with. Click thumbs up, please, because it really helps my channel. And I appreciate you so much for stopping by. That's it, folks. Bye!